Finally back to work. Check this out, guys. I have space again. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please check my previous episodes. I can finally go on with my car stereo installation. Amplifier, that's the next one. First I have to make this trunk floor. I already have these pieces. I have this carpet, and to one of these pieces I have to cut a hole for this amplifier. First I have to do something else. I bought this OEM oil filter and plug from our local Opel garage. 34 francs. That's pretty crazy. It was actually 4 francs more than last year and 8 francs more than year before. But I think I will survive. I have to do this only once a year. This old oil I took to our local recycling center. It's not free, I had to pay, but it's totally fine. It was under 10 francs. For some reason they didn't take my oil filter. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.